Hello everyone, today I am discussing a common problem for a new student finding the best place to live after moving to a new city for university. I have been presented with three options: a college dorm, a rented room, or staying with a relative. After carefully considering on the pros and cons, I have decided that living in a college dorm is the best option for me. The first major advantage of a dorm is convenience and location. It usually relies on converse, saving me time and money on commuting. Secondly, it offers an unbeatable opportunity for social networking and interaction. It's a way to make friends and instantly feel part of the university community, which is crucial for smooth transition. Now, let's look at the other options. Renting a single room offers privacy, but the disadvantage and significant. You have to handle on the bills and maintenance yourself, and it's often much more expensive. Plus, for location wastes valuable study time, staying with a relative might be the cheapest option, but it comes with a major social and academic costs. The lack of independence, you must follow the rules and might feel liberated to spend time with the instead of for focusing on your study. So, why renting give your stay in relative home save money? The college dorm provides the perfect blend of security, affordability, and most importantly, a stutter super environment that bursts me right at the heart of my academic life. That's why I am choosing the dorm. Thank you for listening.